Ever written a confidential letter, report, or project in Word, and you're worried someone might open or edit it without your permission? Let's fix that. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to lock your Word document with a password so only you, and maybe a few trusted folks, can open it. Click on File in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage view with all your file options. From Info, select an option called Protect Document. Choose Encrypt with Password. A small pop-up box will appear asking you to enter a password. Type in your secret password, click OK, and confirm it when prompted. That's it. Your Word document is now password protected. Anyone trying to open it will need to enter the password you set. If this saved your day, don't just smile, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Praisetech Studios for more smart and simple tech hacks. I'm Douglas.